Vyasa Academy. In this session, we discuss about the parabola. Parabola, standard form of the parabola is completed. Now discuss about the parabola, some of the terms. First one, chord of the parabola. Chord of the parabola. You see, this is the parabola. Chord of the parabola means here this is the point A, this is the point B. This is the chord of the parabola. Chord of the parabola means the line cuts the 2 points of the parabola is chord of the parabola. The line cuts the parabola in 2 points is a chord. You see another one focal chord. Here you see this is the parabola, this is the axis of parabola, this is directrix, and this is the focus. Yes, the chord passing through the focus is called a focal chord. The chord passing through focus is called a focal chord. Okay, all of you. The chord passing through the focus is called a focal chord. Next, double ordinate. So this is the parabola. This is axis of the parabola. This is directrix. The chord passing through the 2 points. This is the chord AB and perpendicular to the axis. The chord perpendicular to the axis of parabola is double ordinate. Okay, all of you. And one more. This is the parabola. This is the directrix. This is the focuses. And this double ordinate passing through the focus. This is latus rectum. Latus rectum is double ordinate passing through focus is a latus rectum. So These terms are, first one, chord. Chord is passing through to any 2 points on the parabola. Second one, focal chord. Focal chord. Third one, double alternate. Double alternate. Fourth one, latus rectum. Okay, all of you. Chord means the the chord is passing through the two lines on the parabola. Is a chord of the parabola. Focal chord, the chord passing through the focus is a focal chord. Double alternate. Double alternate, the chord which is perpendicular to the axis of the parabola. Latus rectum, double alternate passing through the focus is a latus rectum. Okay, all of you. These are the very, very important points in parabola. Okay, all of you. Here, this is y square is equal to 4ax is the curve. Y square is equal to 4ax parabola. This is focus is a comma 0 and directrix x plus a equal to 0. The axis of the parabola, focus s a comma 0 and directrix x plus a equal to 0. Axis of the parabola which is perpendicular to the directrix, this is x a x dash, y a y dash. This a is the vertex 0 comma 0 for this one. Vertex means the axis of the parabola at this vertex is the midpoint of ZASZ. Midpoint of HZ is the vertex of the parabola. Here axis of the parabola. Axis of parabola is equal to y is equal to 0. Tangent at vertex a 0 comma 0 is x is equal to 0. Yx is the tangent of the parabola at vertex, and this directrix and this tangent are both are parallel to each other. Okay, all of you. And one more here. This is tangent. This is axis of the parabola, vertex of the parabola, directrix of the parabola, focus of the parabola. Eccentricity of parabola. E is equal to 1. Eccentricity E is equal to 1 of the parabola. Okay, all of you. These are the main points in this parabola. And one more. This is the chord passing through the focus is the latus rectum. L dash. Latus rectum. Length of latus rectum is equal to length of latus rectum is equal to 4a. Length of latus rectum is equal to 4a. This is L dash. These are the points a comma 2a, and these are points a comma minus 2a for this one. This length 2a, this length 2a. Okay, length of latus rectum is 4a is equal to LL dash. Okay, all of you. These are the main points in y square is equal to 4ax parabola. Standard form of the parabola. Okay, all of you. That's all. And one more parametric equation of the parabola. Parametric equations. Parametric equations. Parametric equations. For this one, x is equal to 80 square and y is equal to 280. Or t, any point t on this curve, 80 square comma 280. These are the parametric equation of the parabola. Point t is on curve. Parametric form 80 square comma 280. 80 square comma 280. This is the very important parametric equation of the parabola. That's all of you. One more form of the parabola. Suppose this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, and x square is equal to, this is y square is equal to minus 4ax, where a greater than 0. Y square is equal to minus 4ax. This type of parabola is like this, and this is the directrix x minus a equal to 0, and this is the vertex a 0 comma 0, and this is the focus s minus a comma 0. So in this case, focus s minus a comma 0, directrix x minus a equal to 0, and axis is what? X axis. This is x 0 x dash, y 0 y dash. X axis y is equal to 0. Axis tangent at vertex 0 comma 0 is x is equal to 0. This is y axis. And one more, same latus rectum. This is the minus a comma 2a. This is minus a comma minus 2a. These two are the L dash. Length of latus rectum. Length of latus rectum is equal to 4a. And one more here, parametric equations. Parametric equations are x is equal to minus 80 square, y is equal to 280. Minus x is equal to minus 80 square, y is equal to 280. Then point on the parabola x comma y equal to minus 80 square comma 280 is the parametric equation of the parabola. Parametric equation of the parabola. Okay, all of you. This is the parametric equation of the parabola, and these are the, and what is vertex? Vertex is 0 comma 0. This is a represented by a. Okay, all of you. This is the directrix and axis of the parabola, vertex of the parabola, length of latus rectum, These are the very important. One more form of the parabola, x square is equal to 4x, a greater than 0. This is one more form of the parabola in the plane. This is this this form of the parabola is like this. This is the vertex x, a, x dash, y, a, y dash, and this is x square is equal to 4ax. 0 comma 0 is vertex, and this is s 0 comma a. Focus is equal to s 0 comma a, and s a 0 comma a, and in this case directrix. This is the directrix. This directrix y is equal to a. Directrix y is equal to minus a implies y plus a equal to 0. Y is equal to minus a implies y plus a equal to 0 is the directrix. Okay, all of you. And vertex a 0 comma 0 is the vertex, and axis of parabola. Axis of parabola is, what is the axis of the parabola? Y axis, x is equal to 0, and tangent at vertex is y is equal to 0. This is y axis, this is x axis. Okay, all of you. And one more parametric form of the parametric form, that is x is equal to 280 and y is equal to 80 square are the parametric equations of the parabola. Equations of the parabola. These are the parametric equation of the parabola. So this is the x square is equal to 4x, a greater than 0. This curve is in first quadrant, q1 and q2. Okay, all of you. That's all. Here, one more form of the parabola. This is x dash, y dash. This is the vertex. Then x square is equal to minus 4ay is the one more form of the parabola, and this is the directrix. y is equal to a, or y minus a equal to 0 is the directrix equation. This is the focus of the parabola, s 0 comma minus a. So focus of the parabola, focus s 0 comma minus a, and vertex a 0 comma 0, and directrix y minus a equal to 0. Okay, this is the main important points in this parabola. And tangent axis of parabola is y axis x equal to 0, and tangent at vertex is y is equal to 0. These are the main important points in this form of the parabola. Okay, all of you? That's all. Suppose parabola is like this. Y minus k whole square is equal to 4a of x minus h. Means what? Here, in this case, this is x axis, x dash, this is y axis, y dash. Origin shifted to h comma k. Origin shifted to h comma k. Then what is the y axis? What is the x axis? Like this. Then what is the curve? Here, this is the curve. What is the directrix? Which is parallel to the y axis. What is the directrix equation? Directrix equation generally x minus x is equal to a. X is equal to a. Here x is the x minus h plus a equal to 0, where a greater than 0. X is equal to what? X is equal to h minus a. X origin is shifted to here. This is the a. X is equal to h minus a. X minus h plus a equal to 0 is the directrix equation. What is directrix equation? X minus h plus a is the directrix equation. And what is the focus of the parabola? What is the focus of the parabola? Here focus of the parabola is h plus a. H plus a comma k. Focus of the parabola h plus a comma k. Okay, all of you. Vertex is the midpoint h comma k, and this is this length and this length you calculate. Up to here, what is the length? This is h plus this is a. H plus a. H plus a, and this is k. So h plus a comma k. So focus what? H plus a comma k. And what is directrix? Directrix x minus h plus a equal to 0. And vertex h comma k. H comma k. What is the axis of the parabola? Axis of parabola, which is parallel to x axis. Parallel to x axis. Y is equal to k. Tangent at vertex. Tangent at vertex. X is equal to h. These are the main points of this parabola. Okay. Focus h plus a is equal to 0. Focus h plus a is equal to focus h plus a comma k. Equation of directrix x minus h plus a equal to 0. And axis of parabola y is equal to k. And vertex h comma k. And tangent at vertex is x is equal to h. Here h greater than 0, k greater than 0. Why? Because this is in the first quadrant. Okay, all of you. That's all. Here, you observe all of you. Y minus k whole square is equal to minus 4a of x minus h. A greater than 0. Here, vertex is h comma k. Vertex is h comma k. So, this type of parabola focus is h minus a comma k, equation of directrix x minus h minus a equal to 0, where h less than 0, k greater than 0. H less than 0, k greater than 0. This is in the second quadrant. H less than 0, k greater than 0. Then axis of parabola is what? Y minus k is equal to 0. Axis of parabola parallel to x axis, y minus k is equal to 0. And tangent at vertex of parabola is this one, y is equal to k or y minus k equal to 0. Sorry, x is equal to h. Sorry, x is equal to h, x minus h equal to 0. Okay, this is the equation of tangent at vertex. This is the axis of the parabola. And what is vertex of the parabola? H comma k, where h less than 0, k greater than 0. This is the vertex of the parabola. Okay, all of you? That's all. Here, this is the x, o, x dash, y, o, y dash. This is y axis, this is x axis. This is the shifting point. Origin is shifted to h comma k. Vertex. This is the parabola. X minus h whole square is equal to 4a of y minus k whole square. This is also known as vertical parabola. Vertical parabola. Okay. So here what is the focus for this one? S h comma a plus h, a plus k, h comma a plus k. This is the vertex h comma k. So h greater than 0, k greater than 0. Equation of directrix. This is the equation of directrix. This is the directrix y minus k plus a equal to 0. Y minus k plus a equal to 0 is the equation of directrix. Axis of the parabola. This is the axis of the parabola. X minus h is equal to 0. And vertex of the parabola h comma k, tangent at vertex. Y minus k equal to 0. Tangent at vertex is y minus k equal to 0. This is the y minus x minus h whole square is equal to 4a of y minus k whole square, where a greater than 0 parabola, and this parabola is vertical parabola. It is a vertical parabola. Okay, all of you? That's all. You see, all of you, this is the parabola. X minus h whole square is equal to minus 4a of y minus k whole square. A greater than 0. Okay, all of you. In this case, what is the focus? H comma k minus a. focus h comma k minus a. This is the directrix y minus k minus a equal to 0. Axis of parabola x minus h equal to 0. Tangent at vertex. This is a k y minus k equal to 0 and vertex h comma k h greater than 0 y greater than 0. This is the vertical parabola. Vertical parabola. Okay, all of you. This is the parabola with vertex h comma k minus x minus h whole square is equal to minus 4a of y minus k whole square, a greater than 0. This is the parabola equation, vertical parabola. Okay, all of you. That's all.